Perl powered the digital revolution, but the future belongs to Python. Is your legacy code holding you back? 92% of enterprises struggle with outdated Perl systems, security risks, talent shortages, soaring costs. But transformation doesn't mean starting over. Perl's ecosystem is shrinking while Python's explodes. Outdated modules, no cloud compatibility, and 43% of Perl vulnerabilities have no fix. Every day you wait costs $12,000 in lost efficiency. Python isn't just modern, it's tomorrow's language. Native AI integration, cloud-optimized architecture, a syntax so clean, maintenance hours drop by 63%. Our patented Perl scan engine maps your entire codebase. PyConvert Pro achieves 98.7% accuracy, refined by Python core contributors. We don't just translate code, we rebuild it for scale. Blue or green deployments ensure business continuity. OWASP-certified security checks. Chaos-engineered resilience testing. Your systems stay online while we modernize. Global enterprises trust us with mission-critical systems. One client reduced cloud costs by $1.2 million annually. Another launched 14 new features in 6 months. 2025 migration slots are filling fast. Act now to lock in a POC and a free security audit. Don't let legacy Perl decide your future. Macrosoft guarantees a seamless transition from Perl to Python. Migrate now or get left behind. Contact us today.